roads with you.
Yes, we're going for an iftar, our first family iftar for this year. We're going to Movenpick. We will try the iftar there. Kids?
Yeah, hello. Babu, hello.
One of the things that we always look forward to during Ramadan is that aside from going home early from work, and the kids also, we can go to gatherings like this one, iftar.
Where do I go? Where do I go from here? Where do I go? Where do I go from here?
Yeah, last time. Sige na, 6:30. A not bald Asian.
You have to reserve this, yeah?
Yeah.
Can I get the name?
Oh. Okay. Is that okay? No, the place is nice. What is iftar? For those who do not know yet, iftar is the evening meal with which Muslims end their daily Ramadan fast at sunset. Muslims break their fast at the time of the call to prayer for the evening prayer. Here in the UAE and in Dubai particularly, iftar can be in majlis or in hotels, restaurants, or in mosques. Usually, it is on a buffet, but some restaurants are also offering iftar from an a la carte menu. By the way, this is not a sponsored vlog as the family has chosen the Movenpick as it is not that far from our place. So while waiting for the firing of the cannon, which signals the end of fast and start of iftar, I have checked the where's what and what's that in the food station. That's one tip there when you are on an iftar buffet. Moments later, we heard the firing of the cannon, which was broadcasted live and projected to a big white screen. Last year, I brought my son to the firing of cannon in Burj Khalifa.
Where do I go from here?
For drinks, we have water and juices, and additional soft drinks for wifey and myself. I had greens as starter, lots of greens. Skip the rice though, but I got some potatoes instead. Then meats, and meats, and meats, and so the wifey and the kids.
Where do I go? I used to walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I went without you. Where do I go? Where do I go? How will I know? How will I know? I used to walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I went without you. Where do I go?
But what amazes me is this one dish, which is a Filipino delicacy too. I didn't expect that they have this in Arabic cuisine. It has a different Arabic name obviously, but no doubt it's an adobo, a chicken liver adobo. It literally looks and tastes adobo. Wow, you gotta try it yourself too. While munching our delicious food, a Canon player is also giving us some entertainment.
I used to walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I went without you. Where do I go? Where do I go from here? Where do I go?
Canon is a string instrument played either solo or more often as part of an ensemble in much of the Middle East, Maghreb, West Africa, Central Asia, and southeastern regions of Europe. And then desserts. Of course, lukaimat and kunafa are always the best.
I used to walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I went without you. Where do I go? Where do I go?
Alright, overall, it was a pretty good iftar. The ambience, the food, everything. And also great to have so many iftar offers on the net. Here in Dubai, you can find Kobon, Groupon, Entertainer, and many others. So it's just up to you which offers you choose.
Where do I go from here? Where do I go?
So that ends the vlog. Please tell us what you think about the iftar, and also if you can share your iftar experience from where you are in the world right now. Okay? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Daghang salamat.